How do you search for something new if you don't know what you're looking for? Why do we look for music with our eyes? There are hundreds of live music events that pass us by every day. What if you could find music just by listening?
When I see green, I'm thinking home, a land of love where I belong.
Sound Search on your mobile device is a discovery tool for live music events. Browse the city to discover the artists performing tonight. Once you hear a sound you like, tap to find out more. Scroll to see other events that week. Share with your friends. Get tickets and directions instantly. Never before has your city sounded so good.